Hello, today we are going to discuss about hashing data structure. What is hashing? It is a technique by which we can store and retrieve the elements or information more efficiently or effectively. And there are multiple purpose where we can use this hashing technique, like optimal search, like in case of symbol tables. So, if we observe in our balanced binary search tree, we have observed for insert, delete and search technique, the worst case complexity or the time complexity that was big O of log n. But in case of we want to perform all these operations in big O of 1, then what is the scenario? So, in that case hashing performs well, and in many places this technique is used. And in case of hashing, the worst case complexity is big O of n, but in case of average cases, it is always give us the result in big O of 1 time. So, this is very popularly used. There are different hash functions which are used in case of encryption or in case of security domain, like MD5 *1 *256. Let us have a look what this particular technique or this particular data structure is used or how it is used. So, the main purpose of hashing, we have set of values, we have some set of values, say for example 293, 156, 392, 1015. So, we have few elements or few key values are there. Now, we want to store them inside a table. This table having a particular size, and this size is assuming the size of this table is 10. So, these are the set of values, these are the elements, these are elements or keys that we are trying to store in this particular table, and this table is called hash table. This table is called hash table. This table is called hash table. This table having some particular index values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, assuming these are the and 9 and then whatever. So, 10 places, so 9 is this is not required 9. So, size of this hash table is 10, and we are trying to store all these elements in this place, so that we can able to achieve the complexity that is big O of 1 in average case. Now, there will be a function, this function is called hash function, this function is called hash function. This function will generate a particular value for each and every element which are present in this particular set. So, it will generate as an output as an index value, okay. So, in the index value, and in that index we will store the element. Let us have a look what is happening. Now, if I consider 293 and we are assuming the hash function that is called key mod 10, it is the hash function. Now, what is mod? We know mod is what? We know what is mod. If I divide 56 divided by 10, then what answer we will get? If I perform 56 divided by, if we perform 56 divided by 10, we will get 5.6. This is division. And what is modulus? If I have 56 mod 10, that means we will divide, and what is the remainder? So, 6 is the remainder. So, 6 is the remainder. So, we will have 6 value. So, mod gives us this value, that is 6 value. Okay. Now, here, so key mod 10. So, if I perform mod operation on this is the key value or the element mod 10, what value we will get? We will get what value? 3 value. So, 3 is the index, and third place we will place this 239. So, 293, this value will be placed. Now, what is the next value? 156 mod 10, the answer will be 6. So, where we will place it? At 6th place. So, 156. 392 mod 10, then we will have 2. So, 392. So, this way every value, every key element will be stored in this hash table. So, what is the purpose? We have huge set of elements, they can be from different domains, they have this can be 2-digit number, 3-digit number, you can think this way, the large values are there. Now, by help of this technique, within this boundary from 0th index to 9th index, we can able to store all the elements that are present in this huge domain. So, the domain value can be 2, 9, 3, 6, 8, 2, 1. So, this is the value. Now, if you perform mod of this one, so you will observe we will get one value. So, the whole value will be stored in this place, like some kind of mapping. With 1 this value is there, for 2 this value is there, for 3 this value is there, for 4, like some kind of key and corresponding value is there. And by this we can easily able to, by help of few operations, we can directly able to find out the index and directly able to store it. So, without wasting too much time, or in an average case, we will have in big O of one time we can able to store the element and able to retrieve the element. Now, where is the problem? Now, assuming in this place I am trying to store 3306 again. Now, what is the place? 3306 mod 10. What is the value? 6 is the value that we have to store. Now, where we can able to store this value? So, you will observe we have to store in this value, but already some element is already present, and this scenario is called collision. We can resolve the collision. There are different techniques like in linear probing, quadratic probing. So, there are different techniques are available. By those techniques we resolve the collision. So, the main purpose of hashing is what? The main purpose is to store and retrieve the elements efficiently in average case. But remember, in always in worst case, the hashing gives big O of n time to store and retrieve the element. Okay, there are many places we can use this. Okay, in the next video we will go with some problems on hashing technique. Thank you.